So in today's video, we're going to look at the immediate window. So this is a window within the IDE, within Visual Basic, that you can pull up and do a couple different things in it. So I'm going to show you one of the main things that happens in it, and then I'm going to show you a couple advanced things. So to get to it, you can either press Control G, or you can go to View and then Immediate Window. So this will bring up the immediate window. You can see it down here. Now, if I run this code, I've added something in here to say debug.print and then do this. So this is great if you need to know what something is. So in this case, let's start with debug.print lng a. Now, obviously, this is simple. You need a space between the two. Obviously, this is simple. This should be 100. But just in case, maybe this is something that's been calculating along the way. You don't know what it is. Of course, you can pause your code and go find that and hover over it, but it could be way further up in your code. So let's go ahead and run this code. And you'll see in the immediate window will output the value of LNGA. You can add language before it. So if you want to put verbiage, and then you can even do a calculation. So this is doing the two of those, and that will output that. So that's a nice way to do it. One thing you can also do is, without even debugging it, if you're looking at this and you're saying, so let's take these debugs out, and you got to this spot and you're like, I can't figure out why this is. And again, for this, you could just hover over and see this. If you put a question mark and then the value of the variable you want to see and you hit enter, it will show you the stored value of that. So that's a nice thing to do. Even when the code isn't running, you can use this immediate window to give you more information. So I'm going to hit stop. Obviously, if I was to now do the same thing, LNGA, it's going to be blank because there's no code running. But I can give you other information. So worksheets.count. It will tell me that there's 14 worksheets in this workbook. So again, even though the code's not running, it can still do things and give me information. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please also share. Please go ahead and check out my other videos on my page. Have a great day.